Hey everybody! Today we are back in Roblox, and today's Roblox video we'll be playing a really old Thomas game. Thomas the Slender Engine. Bang. Current version 12. And this game was created like many years ago. It's pretty old. And there's literally no one playing it other than me. And the reason why we're playing this game is because today we're getting closer and closer to October 31, Halloween. So we're playing this. Okay, you know what? Let's just start. You know what? Which one should I pick? Let's pick subway tunnels. It looks fun. Come on. Oh, there we go. Now we're joining in subway tunnels. Jesus Christ, it's so dark. Whoa. There's no track as well. It's super ultra dark. There's nothing here. This is darker than Darth Vader himself. Okay. Whoa, this looks creepy. Anyway, let's see. What else is there? Oh, look, another. So apparently we're just supposed to collect some oil cans, which look more like garbage bins. But whatever. Let's go this way. Never mind, there's nothing there. Where could those other oil cans be? Hopefully there's something here. Nope, nothing. Now, if I die here, then I'll have to go back to the menu to pick another map. Oh, cool, another oil can. But if I make it, if I collect all the oil cans, then I come back to the menu without dying. And I think we got all of them. Did we? Yeah, I definitely think I got all of them. So let's go back to the menu. Okay. Oh, there we go. Really useful engines. Let's pick. You know what? Let's pick the second. Farquhar Quarry, Arsdale Lake, School, Harwick, Solder, China Clay Pits. Let's go with the. Let's go with the Coley Fell Railway. I feel like there's gonna be something pretty cool there. Top 5 perfectly cut screams. Alright, whoa, it's so foggy here. Let's see. Papers. Why do I got. Really now, these things are supposed to be papers? I don't get it. Anyway, we're at the Coley Fell Railway. Oh no, I think that's one of the Coley Fell Railway engines. Hello, sir? Ah! You can't get up? You're right. Oh, scary. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's right on my butt. He's right on my buddy. He's right on my booty butt. He's right on my booty butt. He's right on my booty butt. He's right on my... Oh, he's right on my booty butt. No. Oh, look, another one. Oh, no. Ah, man, I got pooped. Anyway, back to the menu. Man, that was scary. Let's go with the pack 3. We got Ulstead Castle, Waste Dump, the Steelworks, Great Waterton, Hills of Sodor. We got Airport, Diesel Works, Experimental Engine Yard. We got Mainland. Cool, I'm gonna go to the mainland. Come on, I wanna go to the mainland. Oh, there we go. The reason why I picked this game is because we're getting close to Halloween. Oh wait, oh there's the run button. Anyway, why does the mainland look so foggy for some reason? I don't remember the. Oh no! Oh no! No! Stop! Stop! You're scaring me! Stop! Stop! Ah! Oh god, he stopped. He stopped with that annoying noise. Annoying noise. Anyway, so far we got 6. We got 7. And he's still chasing me. 8. Oh my goodness. 9. Oh no. Oh, there's one more. I'm gonna leave. Oh, back to the menu. Jesus Christ, that diesel really sounds like a freaking airplane. You know what? Let's come back to the Slender Engine Pack 1. Got Space Station, got Thompson's Branch Line. Let's go with the Thompson's Branch Line Day. Okay, there we go. Next we'll try Percy's Nightmare. Oh no. Oh no! Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that thing? What is that? And for some reason I got 23 oil cans. Jeez, I really collected a bunch of oil cans. Ah! Come on, this thing didn't even let me do anything. And there's still a bunch of oil cans. This is crazy. Oh my goodness, what the hell is that thing? Is it alive? Oh good, it's not. There's also train tracks because this is a Thomas Slender Engine game, I guess. This used to scare the creepy BBs out of me. Anyway, let's come back to the menu. This is just one very crazy and creepy game. What the heck? What am I doing here? Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Don't worry, guys. We solved that, and now we're coming back to the actual game that we're supposed to play today. Let's play, let's go here. Let's go to, Titmus Sheds. Yeah, let's go to Titmus Sheds daytime. What kind of sounds are these? Anyway, Titmus Sheds. Bro, come on! It's raining! And also, since it's Titmus Sheds, where's the sheds? Oh, wait. I think I found them. Yep, they're here. Oh, but they're just 2 sheds in one. Can you enter? No, you can't. So far, this has been a pretty weird video. And still, where are those Slender Engines? Why is there only 2 Oh my goodness gracious. What is that? What intonation is that? Oh no, it's Gordon. Please, Gordon, we can talk about this. Come on. Huh? Gordon? You good, bro? Oh no. What have I done? No. He's so fat. Oh no, he's like a macho. No, spare me, Gordon, spare me, I swear. I did not take the milk. Please. No. Come on. But no. Back to menu. Back to menu, please. Back to menu. I said back to menu. PP. Well, there we go. It just started to rain. Let's go to pack 2. Wait, Slendington? Let's pick. Wait a minute. Wait. Weren't we gonna pick Percy's Nightmare a few seconds ago? Yeah, I think we're definitely going to pick it. Hang on, let's see. I think Percy's Nightmare. There he is. Percy's Nightmare and Thomas's Dream. I'm going with Percy's Nightmare because, you know. Oh my goodness, this is so dark. Why did I pick this map? This is too scary. Oh my goodness. Why is it so dark? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the end. Just gotta keep go. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's super tubby. Wait, no. Because he has that cape, you know. Oh no. Oh no. He's right on my butt. He's right on my butt. He's right on my butt. He's getting closer and closer to my butt. Ah! Oh my goodness, this thing is crazy. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This can't go well. This can't go well. This can't go well. I don't want to get jump scared. Wait a minute. Is there even jump scares in this game? Whatever. I'm just gonna walk to the void. Whoa. This is crazy. And I officially went to the void. And that's basically it. So anyways, guys, this is going to be all for today's video. Wait, why am I so short? Anyway, please like and subscribe. Click that bell notifications. Select all. And I'll see you all next time for another video. Bye-bye.